be able to refute us. You know, all what we see from Islamic religion is nothing but superstitions and stupidity and fictions. Abdul Hamid saying Islam is the true religion. It is next in line after Judaism and Christianity. I don't know, Abdul Hamid, you Muslims are really weird. I thought Adam was a Muslim. So how Adam was a Muslim, and then there is Judaism and Christianity? According to Muhammad, and you see the Muslims, they don't even know what they believe in. When they want, Isa was a Muslim, Musa was a Muslim, everybody was a Muslim, and then they say Christianity, and then they say Judaism. Well, they cannot exist if Adam, Musa, Isa, they were Muslims. What kind of religion opposes itself and its belief? So Abdul Hamid, why you don't give me your Skype, my friend? Give me your Skype. Give me your real Skype. Come on. Yeah, the Muslim, they are obsessed with the word Islam. The cat, you know, the cat don't walk in the Quran. I mean, can you believe it? The cat is a Muslim. Even the cat is a Muslim cat. Why the cat is not walking in the Quran? Can you explain that to me? It's a miracle, brother. It's a miracle of video editing. Look at this, look at this. The cat is not stopping in the Quran. Listen, 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 listen. How you explain that to us, brother? Look at this. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Listen carefully. Well, the cat is in the top of the Quran. What do you mean she did not step in the Quran? The private part of the cat in the top of the Quran. So the Muslim, they made videos about the cat don't step in the Quran. And that was a clear evidence from God that this cat is a Muslim cat. But then there's many people, they start looking and see really if this is true or not. Is it really true that the cat don't stop or step in the Quran? We have there is an infidel. His name is David Wood. This guy is, you know, he have a friend. He have a Quran, and he have a cat. So he said to himself, you know what? I'm going to do this. If the Quran really, if the cat don't step in the Quran, I will become Muslim like the cat.
A lot of Muslims have been sending me videos claiming that a cat will not walk on the Quran. And they're presenting this as evidence for Islam. Evidence that proves that the Quran is the word of God.
Oh, look at this, some music too. Wow.
It's not stepping on it.
Ah, look at his mouth. Whoa.
How powerful the Quran.
Yeah.
Quran. See?
Look, this guy, his hair is up already before watching the video. Whoa!
Yo, the cat is literally walking around and over.
Oh my goodness. Look at those Qurans. Look at those Arabic Qurans. Let's take away the food. The cat is still standing on a Quran. That a cat will not walk on the Quran. That's the Arabic right there. ordinary cat food. Why is this cat so quick to walk all over the Quran? Will you walk on it for a string? You'll walk on the Quran for a string? But I thought a cat will never walk on the Quran. That's the Arabic. That's the Arabic of the Quran, that this cat is walking all over for a piece of string. It's not even going for food. This cat has absolutely no respect whatsoever for the Quran. Do you know why? It's because cats have absolutely no respect for anything. Is this cat possessed by a jinn? No respect for the Quran whatsoever. Some cats like laser pointers. Come here. Come
Uh-oh.
here. Will you walk on the Quran for a laser point? Huh? It's so easy to get this cat to walk on the Quran. She's seeking knowledge from the Quran. She's seeking knowledge. Now the cat is just pawing randomly at the...
Okay. This is Abu Hamid. This guy is a kid, you know. You remember him? The one who claimed to be a sheikh. Yeah. Hold on. Give me a second.
The Quran. Oh my goodness. She's destroying my Qurans. So why do Muslims use arguments like this? It took me 1 to 2 seconds over and over again to get this cat to walk all over the Quran. Why do people claim that a cat will not walk on the Quran? Do you know how you do that? Do you know how you get those videos? You film a bunch of footage of a cat around a Quran, and then you post all the clips.